I don't even have a tent. My tent and everything got burned up in the fire. And a lot of my friends I haven't been able to find. They asked us, we could choose what place we wanted to stay at. And they made it sound so wonderful and everything great. And when they brought us down to the hotel said something different. They said we had to wait in a line of people because they didn't have enough rooms. They were over maximum capacity. You can't just sit in the hotel room waiting for a room at a certain hour. You had to go and leave. And where are we going to go to? They brought my hopes up and everything to get a place to stay. And instead of that, what we got was this.